Ayaneo has once again captured the attention of enthusiasts worldwide, with the grand unveiling of its latest masterpiece, the Ayaneo Pocket S Android console. The much-anticipated device promises to redefine portable gaming experiences with its cutting-edge features and powerful specifications. Enthusiasts were recently treated to an in-depth look at the Ayaneo Pocket S, showcasing a plethora of impressive features developed to elevate gaming to new heights. Now, the company has officially opened pre-orders, allowing eager fans to secure their piece of gaming history. At the heart of the Ayaneo Pocket S lies the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon G3x Gen 2, coupled with the Adreno A32 GPU, clocking up to a staggering 1 GHz. This powerhouse of a chipset represents a significant leap forward in performance, boasting a 30% improvement in CPU capabilities, and a whopping 100% enhancement in GPU prowess, compared to its predecessor. With a thermal design power of up to 15 watt, the console ensures sustained performance even during intense gaming sessions, thanks to its innovative large-area VC thermal plater. Memory options are equally impressive, with variants offering up to 16 gigs of RAM, and a massive 1 TB of storage capacity. While details regarding other configurations are yet to be confirmed, the inclusion of expandable storage options hints at a device tailored to accommodate the diverse needs of gamers. The Ayaneo Pocket S dazzles users with its 6-inch IPS display, boasting a remarkable 490 pixels per inch, a wide color gamut of 120% sRGB, and a brightness of 400 nits. Equipped with a range of tactile controls including an RGB Hall sensor, linear Hall triggers, and a responsive D-pad, gamers can expect precision and fluidity in their gameplay. Additionally, the inclusion of triple-mode vibration and advanced haptic feedback technologies further enhances the immersive experience, ensuring every action on screen is felt with unparalleled realism. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Ayaneo Pocket S strikes a perfect balance between form and function. The sleek profile, measuring a mere 14 mm in thickness and weighing between 300 to 400 grams, exudes elegance and portability. Constructed from premium materials such as matte all-metal CNC middle frame, and featuring a biomimetic appearance for efficient heat dissipation, the console not only looks stunning, but also offers superior durability and comfort during extended gaming sessions. Complementing its impressive hardware, the Ayaneo Pocket S comes loaded with software enhancements aimed at optimizing performance and enhancing the overall user experience. With pre-orders now open, enthusiasts have the opportunity to be among the first to experience the future of portable gaming with the Ayaneo Pocket S Android console. With its groundbreaking features and unrivaled performance, it's poised to revolutionize the way we play. Price of $499, the Ayaneo AM02 Retro Mini PC offers a compelling blend of nostalgia and modern convenience, making it the ideal choice for gamers of all ages. Its predecessor, the Ayaneo Retro Mini PC AM01, garnered widespread acclaim after a successful crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo in November 2023, setting the stage for the AM02 to continue the legacy of its predecessor and redefine the retro gaming experience for a new generation of gamers. With the launch of these innovative products, Ayaneo once again demonstrates its commitment to pushing the boundaries of gaming hardware and delivering unparalleled experiences to gamers worldwide. Whether it's the cutting-edge performance of the Ayaneo Flip handheld or the nostalgic charm of the Ayaneo AM02 Retro Mini PC, one thing is clear: Ayaneo continues to lead the way in shaping the future of gaming. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.